Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now in today's video I wanted to show you my morning shower routine. Not all shower routines are created equally, just by the way. And if you want to have glowing skin, shiny hair, then you need to know what is the right way of taking your morning shower routine. It's all in the technique, and just by following this simple technique, these simple grooming tips while you take shower, this can make a lot of difference. It's going to make your skin so much more glowing and beautiful. Your strands will look so much more healthier and shiny. So it took me like almost about 4 weeks to figure out what the right shower routine is for me, and finally I have found one. So let's get started. Now, taking extensively hot showers will strip off the natural oils of your skin and will dehydrate your skin a lot. So make sure to have comfortable warm water showers. If you cannot take cold showers in winters because of the temperature, then opt for warm showers instead of going in for extremely hot showers. Before heading in the washroom to shampoo your hair, always make sure to brush your hair, because that's going to just detangle your hair and make it so much more manageable after hair wash. Now let's talk about the hair care routine, which is very important to be taken care of, especially during the cold winter season. And hair fall is not an uncommon thing to have in the winter season, because the air is so dry that makes your scalp flaky, irritable, very dandruff prone, and that's going to cause hair fall. So I was looking for a product that's just going to control my hair fall during the winter season. So I tried so many things, and then I got to know about this very unique one bottle challenge by M Caffeine. I saw so many people take up this challenge by M Caffeine, and hair fall literally stopped for almost all of them. I actually saw the before and after that it did for a lot of people who tried this challenge. So I was so inquisitive myself to try this out and experience how it really works in terms of my hair fall. So I'm just going to show you my entire experience. So let's talk about the brand first before jumping into my experience of the one bottle challenge. M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand. All their products are free from all chemicals such as paraben, SLS. They are FDA approved, they are dermatologically tested, and they are absolutely vegan. So they use coffee as their core ingredient, which sounded so interesting to me because coffee is actually a superfood for hair. Which makes the hair all the more stronger, healthier, and shinier. So I wanted to take up this one bottle challenge. So let me show you how to use the shampoo. After wetting the hair, apply a coin size amount of the shampoo and massage it to create lather. 2 minutes to massage it completely into your hair, and let's dig deeper into the product and know more about it. Coffee hair shampoo has a coffee extract that deeply cleanses, promotes hair growth, and reduces hair fall. It also has protein that nourishes and strengthens the hair, and argan oil is something that just imparts smoothness and boosts the shine of the hair. Caffeine also reduces the hair fall, so these are the core ingredients that make this shampoo. Now this was after the first use, but something that really got my attention after the first use was its texture. The consistency was so creamy, something that spreads so well, and the smell, the fragrance of coffee is just, oh my god. It's like I'm having coffee, but I'm not having coffee. The packaging is very convenient. I really like the pump, which dispenses the right amount of product that you actually need. So my overall experience of this shampoo was amazing. I really liked using the coffee shampoo for the first time. But now I will actually tell you how I was experiencing in detail after 4 weeks of usage. Now after my bottle was completely over, after the 4-week challenge, I would just want to give one verdict of this coffee shampoo, and that is amazing. I was so genuinely so happy to try this out. This was such a good change for my hair, and it literally controlled and literally stopped my entire hair fall. There was a time when I used to enter the washroom and I used to see so many hair strands on the floor. My hairbrush used to be full of hair because there was just so much hair fall happening. But now that's not the story anymore. It has completely changed the situation for my hair strands. The quality of my hair and also my scalp, the hair looks so much more fresher, cleaner. I have loved how it gets rid of the pollutants, oil, dandruff so easily. And the main purpose of this shampoo was to tackle the hair fall, and it has certainly lived up to my expectations. So if you're someone who's having troubles with hair fall, definitely try the coffee shampoo by M Caffeine. Even if you're not having hair fall issues, then it's a very good replacement to your current shampoo. And trust me, believe me, you will fall in love with this one because it's just going to make so much difference to your hair shaft, and you are going to literally fall in love with this. It's a gender neutral product. It will suit all hair types, no matter what your hair situation or problem is. So if you're really willing to try out the 1 bottle challenge, then I'm going to make a budget friendly deal for you. I have a 15% coupon code which is Arushi15, which also will be mentioned in the description box below. So now it's a steal deal for you. This 15% is available on all the M Caffeine products. So now you can try the 1 bottle challenge and let me know your thoughts about it. I'm super excited. I will be waiting for your comments and for your feedback. Now moving on to the shower routine. Bar soap is sanitary and can be shared if required, but a loofah cannot. So if you want to use a loofah, allow it to dry completely every day and replace it frequently. When you wash your face with warm water, your pores open, letting the product penetrate the skin and work its magic. Now the trick here is to follow up cold water after warm water. Cold water will close the pores, which is the key because open pores are a getaway for bacteria to enter. Hydrate yourself immediately after you step out of the shower when your skin is still damp, because that's going to lock in the moisture, making your skin soft and supple. So apply a good amount of body lotion on your hands, on your skin immediately after the shower. So try these simple grooming tips in your shower routine, and definitely do try the 1 bottle challenge. I have mentioned the link of the product in the description box below. So have a look and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, stay safe and I will see you very soon. Bye.